Okay, hi guys, we're back at the Maple Lounge with Barry Rosen from IBM, former IBM, now HCL. I can't get used to that still. Anyways, so Barry, just for the people at home that might not know you, I know there's few in the yellow bubble but we got a few viewers outside of the yellow bubble. Just give us a quick overview of what's your role at HCL and what you're doing.
Sure. My name is Barry Rosen. I am the Director of Product Management at HCL, responsible for Notes, Domino, Verse, and Same Time. So I work with the IBM Product Management team on those products to determine what is the roadmap, what are we investing in, and listen to our customers and make sure that our customers' needs are being met.
Cool. So, given the fact that I'm a Canadian customer and I'm still stuck on, say, Notes 5, 6, or 7, or whatever, what are the key arguments for me that you could give me to make me move to version 10?
Sure. So in version 10, we're going to do a lot of investment around the upgrade experience. So that's the first point. If you're on an older client release, we're going to try to make it as easy and smooth as possible to get to V10. Once you're at V10, we have a lot of great new features and functions. Several in the client. One is forward an invitation as an invite, which will allow you, if you receive an invitation, to forward that, and it maintains the invitation workflow. The recipient will then be able to accept that, and it will be on their calendar as a training. We're actually adding some features beyond what Outlook does, which will give the chair some control over who can forward and when and all of that. We're also implementing a feature that will allow you to delay mail and send mail at a specific time. So if you have a requirement of you can only send messages during business hours, you can set that to only send mail during those hours, or you can specify a certain time or date of a specific message. If you have a mass emailing that you don't want to clog your system, you want to send it at midnight, you can do that. If you're going on vacation and you want everyone to think you're still at work, you can do something like that. That's what I would do.
Good stuff.
But yeah.
No, that's cool. I mean, so this seems to be a lot of features that a lot of people have requested over a long time. This morning I was attending a roundtable where you announced potentially a new way of bringing feature discussions or feature requests into HCL. Can you elaborate a little bit on video here, or is this off limits still?
No, I'll go ahead and talk a little bit at a high level. We're working with IBM to set up a system to allow all of our customers to have a single place to put enhancement requests. Similar to an idea jam where it would be visible to everybody. Everyone will be able to vote on the ideas, and then offering management from IBM and HCL will review this on a regular basis. We'll comment on it. We'll state if we are going to do it, if we're not, and if we are, when that particular feature would be implemented. So yeah, very exciting. So look for that soon.
Awesome. Barry, thank you so much.
Thank you.
It was great.
Excellent. Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.